Gary, if I just quickly go back to talking about guidance, both sides of the border, and there's a question about any difficulties. Did you have members having issues where workplaces in Scotland were staying open despite the guidance of the Scottish Government, because they were relying on the fact that the UK Government was saying, well, we want this sector to continue, so therefore, in terms of UK law, the companies were able to operate? Did that cause issue for some of your members?
Yes, I think it did do, Alan. I think the Scottish Government line, their aspiration, certainly some of the industries, was firmer than the UK's. So in food manufacturing plants, for instance, that I could think of, you had companies who remained open on the basis that they were, these are companies producing chocolate biscuits. Like Scotland's needing access to chocolate biscuits. But companies remained open on the basis that were UK companies with a Scottish footprint, and those companies were kept open unnecessarily, and it was unsafe. So companies did use the UK as a get-out in terms of safe working practices, no doubt on that, no doubt about that. It wasn't widespread, but it was sufficient enough to be very worrying. What I would say is the Scottish Government was quite challenging with some of those businesses as well, but it was an issue.
Okay, so with devolution employment law, would that actually assist with that and other workplace matters?
I think we have long supported devolution employment law. I think for all the criticisms and fallouts that we have with the Scottish Government, the level of engagement with the trade unions and the commitment to working with us is far better in Scotland than it has been elsewhere. And I think the fair work agenda that the Scottish Government has is something we could build upon, but it will have to be underpinned by the devolution of employment laws. And of course, one of the things we want to see is collective bargaining in various across the sectors, different sectors of the economy. And if we're going to have that in Scotland, and I think it's an aspiration of the First Ministers, then we need to have employment rights devolved.